As the weather starts to warm up and our taste buds start craving foods that are lighter and brighter, we've got just the thing to bring to the table. So, what do you say you put away that banana and pumpkin bread recipe and try this fresh tasting one for a change? It's bursting with lemon and poppy seeds, making it perfect from, well, right now, right through the end of the summer. In a large bowl, we beat together some butter, applesauce, and a bit of egg substitute until it's smooth. Now we're going to add some flour that we mix with a bit of baking powder and salt. After that's combined, we add milk, lemon zest, and a teaspoon of poppy seeds. Once the batter is smooth, we spoon it into a loaf pan and place it in the oven for about 45 minutes or until it passes the toothpick test. While it cools, we'll make a 2-ingredient glaze to pour over it. And whether you're looking for something to serve after dinner or you need something special to add to your Easter dessert buffet, this loaf is a real pleaser. To get the recipe for our lemon poppy seed bread, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a lighter and brighter way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.